Huh. Ah, how do I stream again? Hello. Um, what's the term? Can't sleep, clouds will eat me. That's, I don't know, that's basically what it feels like. Oh my goodness, why won't this let me start the raiders? He's hilarious as well. Yes, so let me do that. Oh, I see, because we've already done this. Okay, great. There we go. How is everybody going? I have got some feathers that I need to, like, deal with. And I'm up late because I finished work late. So here I be. And it's been a while, so I figured why not do it while strike while the iron is hot and so forth. How are you doing anyway, Mark? What's happening with you? At workies today? Okay, stop messing with things on the screen. You knew. What? How? What's the flavor? And why? Is it too spicy for you? Oh. No, do you have do you have an ulcer or something in your mouth maybe? And dude, I need to I need to do more Overwatch, unfortunately. I thought about doing that tonight, and then I was like, no, let's get